Tonight, the grilling.
Sir, you're a charlatan.
Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy pressed by senators about his controversial shakeup at the CDC.
You're making things up to scare people, and it's a lie.
With respect, I do not think I'm the one making things up.
Kennedy questioned about changes to recommendations for the COVID vaccine, to say it's only needed for older and high-risk Americans, which a CDC panel will review within weeks. This from Republican Bill Cassidy, a medical doctor whose vote was critical to Kennedy's confirmation.
I would say effectively we're denying people vaccine.
Democrat Elizabeth Warren arguing the new recommendations mean some people can no longer get COVID boosters at the pharmacy.
I'm not taking them away. Everybody can get access to them.
No, they can't walk into a pharmacy the way they could last month and get access.
It depends on the state. It depends on the states.
A year ago,
but they can still get it.
But Rachel Sampers-Alaya says she's been unable to schedule a COVID booster, and she's worried about her daughter with asthma.
My biggest concern right now is going through the winter and ending up with COVID and having a kid end up in the hospital.
Another flashpoint, the firing of CDC Director Susan Monarez, who today writes she was dismissed because she refused to pre-approve the recommendations of a vaccine advisory panel newly filled with people who have publicly expressed anti-vaccine rhetoric.
I did not say that to her.
So she's lying today to the American people in the Wall Street Journal.
Yes, sir.
Kennedy, who's pushed debunked theories linking vaccines to autism, saying he's not against them.
Saying I'm anti-vaccine is like saying I'm anti-medicine. Well, I'm pro-medicine, but I understand some medicines harm people.
And saying revamping the CDC is necessary because it made critical mistakes during the pandemic.
When its disastrous and nonsensical policies destroyed small businesses, violated civil liberties, and the people at CDC who oversaw that process, who put masks on our children, who closed our schools, are the people who will be leaving.
Today, he was pressed about how many people died from COVID.
You don't have any idea how many Americans died from COVID?
I don't think anybody knows that because there was so much data chaos coming out of the CDC.
You were sitting as Secretary of Health and Human Services? How can you be that ignorant?
And tonight, a former CDC director says Kennedy is dangerously undermining the institution.
This is about not fundamentally being grounded in the evidence and the data that should drive decision making. And that is why we raised the alarm.
And with that, Ryan joins us now live from Capitol Hill. Ryan, I know you have new reporting that after that heated hearing, the White House is giving Secretary Kennedy a vote of confidence.
Tom, that's right. Kennedy had moments where he was very critical of the COVID vaccine, but he did praise President Trump's Operation Warp Speed, which helped to develop it. Tonight, two administration sources telling NBC News the president still has confidence in him.
We thank you for watching. And remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.